Today also we'll do the real number next part. Real number day 4. Now we have a statement sums which we have to read carefully. There is a circular path A and B starts from point O. A takes 12 minutes to complete the one round and B takes 18 minutes to complete the one round. So if they go by uniform speed, after how many minutes? After how many minutes they will meet again? They will meet again means they will meet again as early as possible or as late as possible. So obviously they will meet as early as possible. So 12 and 18. So 12 is 2 raised to the power 2 into 3. 18 is 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. HCF will be 2 into that means LCM, least possible time they will take, that will be 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. After 36 minutes they will meet. Then after 36 minutes A will complete 3 rounds and he will be at O, and we will complete 2 rounds and he will be at O. Same kind of a sum we get when a traffic lights which get green at the interval of 5, 10 or 15 minutes. So after how much time they will meet again? So as early as possible. Again 5, 10 and 15 you will find the LCM. That means after 30 minutes they will again be green. Question 2. In a sports meet, number of players in football 48, athletic 60 and hockey is 132 respectively. Find the minimum number of room required. Minimum number of rooms required, so that in each room same number of players are to be seated. So this is players, these are players, and we need same number of players. This is first part and this is second part. Same number of players means whether we want to put the same number of players in a room in maximum or minimum. Obviously we want maximum. So maximum means HCF 48 will be 2 raised to the power 4 into 3. 60 will be 2 into 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 into 5, and 132 will be equal to 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 into 11. So HCF will be 2 raised to the power 2 into 3, 12. Now the question is, how many rooms are required? That is the second question. For football player we required 48 by 12, 4 room. Athletics we required 5 rooms, and for hockey we required is 11 rooms. The total room we required is 20 rooms we required to adjust them. Third, in a Vidyalaya there are 3 sections of class A, section A, B and C. Section A, section B, section C. Section A has 40, section B has 32 and 36 students. Find the minimum books required for class library so that they can be distributed among them. Minimum LCM 40 is 40 is 2 raised to the power 3 into 5. 32 is 2 raised to the power 5. 36 is 2 raised to the power 2. 3 raised to the power 2. LCM will be 2 raised to the power 5, 3 raised to the power into 5. So 1440 books are required for the students. So that is all for today. So this exercise is finished.